right, gearheads and Bimmer fans. The time has come to talk about one of the most beloved sports sedans of all time, the BMW 3 Series. For 2027, BMW isn't just polishing the edges. They're reimagining the experience altogether. Whether you're a long-time enthusiast or a first-time buyer looking for a balance between luxury and performance, this newest version might just be the perfect driving companion. So, let's dive into what makes the 2027 BMW 3 Series a standout in its class. Relaxed, real, and ready to roll. BMW knows not to mess too much with good thing, but the 2027 model sees a refined, sleeker design update that still carries the DNA of the 3 Series we know and love. Up front, the iconic kidney grills are slimmer and wider, finely toned down compared to previous oversized versions, and they're flanked by sharp, angular adaptive LED headlamps. The profile is elegant yet aggressive, with a strong shoulder line, flush door handles, and a more sculpted hood. The rear end features laser-sharp taillights, a dual exhaust layout, and a more aerodynamic bumper. And yes, there are plenty of wheel choices, including 19 and 20-inch performance options with updated M Sport designs that add an extra dash of attitude. Hop inside the 2027 3 Series, and the cabin immediately feels futuristic but familiar. BMW continues its mission to blend performance DNA with comfort and innovation. The dashboard is now dominated by a curved dual-screen setup, a 14.9-inch central infotainment display paired with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, both powered by BMW's iDrive 9 system. This means seamless connectivity, improved voice commands, faster processing, and yes, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as standard. Ambient lighting now comes with customizable color themes, and higher trims include merino leather, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, ventilated and heated front seats, and even a crystal gear selector. Rear seat passengers enjoy more legroom, thanks to slightly adjusted dimensions, and there's a refreshed center console layout with wireless charging and larger cup holders. It's still a driver's car, but now it feels even more premium inside. The 2027 BMW 3 Series lineup will include a mix of familiar and forward-thinking powertrains. Expect the return of the ever-popular 330i, which is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine pushing out around 260 horsepower, more refined and efficient than ever before. Then there's the M340i xDrive, which brings the thrills with a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid assist, delivering a healthy 385 horsepower and instant torque thanks to the 48-volt system. BMW's intelligent all-wheel drive system and updated suspension tuning mean you'll get agile handling with surprising comfort. And for those wondering about electrification, yes, BMW is planning a plug-in hybrid variant of the 3 Series for 2027, aimed at those who want electric range without sacrificing traditional performance feel. BMW is expected to officially unveil the 2027 3 Series in late 2026, with sales starting globally in the first quarter of 2027. Pricing hasn't been finalized yet, but here's what you can roughly expect. BMW 330i, starting around $46,000 US. BMW M340i xDrive, closer to $59,000 US. Plug-in hybrid variant, estimated $51,000 to $54,000 USD. As always, optional packages like the M Sport, Driving Assistance Pro, and Luxury Interior package can add several $1,000s to the final total, but the customization is part of the appeal. So there you have it, the 2027 BMW 3 Series, a perfect blend of classic sports sedan soul and next-generation innovation. Whether you're eyeing the efficient 330i or going all in on the M340i xDrive, BMW has crafted a car that's more than just a daily driver. It's an experience. If this video helped fuel your love for fast, luxurious rides, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Torque Update channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a rev, rumor, or road test. We got more thrilling car content on the way. Stay tuned and stay in gear.